Eager to try iOS 18 beta, but can't find it? You're not alone, many users face this issue. Don't worry, there are simple solutions to help you access iOS 18 beta quickly. Whether it's device setup or network issues, this article provides answers to get you up and running. Part 1. Why don't I have the iOS 18 update on my iPhone? Beta profiles can hide updates. Automatic updates might be off. Network issues could affect visibility. iOS 18 may not support older models. Server overload might delay updates. Deleted profiles may stop notifications. Part 2. How to fix iOS 18 update not showing up. Fix 1. Check iOS 18 compatibility. Compatible iPhones. iPhone SE 2 and Gen and Late. Or iPhone X's and X's Max. iPhone 11 series. iPhone 12 series. iPhone 13 series. iPhone 14 series. iPhone 15 series. If your iPhone isn't listed, it doesn't support iOS 18. Fix 2. Ensure a stable internet connection. Tip 1. Connect to an alternative Wi-Fi network to rule out connectivity issues. Tip 2. Restart your network settings. Go to Settings and select General. Under General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap Reset Network Settings. Fix 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 4. Update iOS with iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to your PC. Trust the computer and unlock your iPhone. Click the iPhone icon in the upper left. Select Check for Update. If iOS 18 is available, click Download and Install. Fix 5. Download the update manually. Open your iPhone's browser and visit a site like Betaprofile, Dev. Download the iOS 18 beta profile. In Settings, find and install the profile. Then go to Settings General Software Update. Fix 6. Uninstall the beta profile. Go to Settings General VPN and Device Management. Under the Configuration Profile section, select the iOS 18 beta software profile and click Remove Profile. Enter your passcode and select Remove. Your device will automatically restart. Fix 7. Check Apple system status. If iOS updates aren't showing up, server issues might be the cause. Check Apple's system status page for real-time info on service status and any known issues or maintenance. Part 3. Still have no iOS 18 update? Repair your iOS system now. If iOS 18 isn't showing up, system issues might be the cause. Use iOS System Recovery to fix problems without data loss. It supports all iPhone models and iOS versions, including iOS 18. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a compatible USB cable. Then launch the application. On your iPhone, tap Trust to allow the connection. Step 2. Choose the iOS System Recovery mode and select either Standard or Advanced mode depending on whether you want to keep or erase your data. Step 3. Confirm the device details on the next screen. Click the Download button to obtain the device firmware. Once the download is complete, click Next to proceed. Step 4. The program will download the necessary firmware package for your device. After the download is complete, click the Repair button to start the repair process. iOS System Recovery will update your device automatically. Restart your iPhone to install iOS 18.